Now we are going to go on our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. Wow, that was a horrible transition. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
We're talking about some Spyderco knives. So Spyderco recently completely changed their salt line. So they changed the color of the FRN and they've gone to CPM MagnaCut, which if you know us at all, you know we love this steel. So we have the Native 5. This is a lock back in that like kind of leaf or spear point style blade. And then we have the Manix 2. This is the ball bearing lock. So you literally, whoop. I do like the function of their ball bearing lock. Nice stout knife. Lightweight. So this is their lightweight series in the salt. Just great all around knives. Yeah, so this one's been out for I guess a month or so now, and this one's just been out like a week. So fairly new Spyderco knives on the market. The designs have been out, but in this configuration they've only been out for a little bit.
Right on. And Russell did earlier say that there is a color change. I know that they're still yellow, but if you put it next to an earlier salt series, you will see the difference. We have them in here, so we were able to see that right out the gate. It is a different shade, tempo, volume, tone of yellow. All right, we're gonna wrap it up here. See you on the next one, y'all. Peace.